I'm kind of scared. I got the Costco blueberry cheesecake caramelized croissants, and I very rarely, if ever, have gotten baked goods from Costco aside from muffins because they're really sugary and they're really bad for you. And 6 is a lot. And then I also got egg tarts. Like, the lighting's not great, but they kind of look anemic. Also, gai mei bao. I'm gonna toss one of everything into the toaster oven. 而家烘好冇咁易，我試下呢個先，烘到有少少窿，淨係有窿味。而家就見到雞尾，睇下。Okay. 第二試下嗰個蛋撻，未烘咧就即係話好似都未焗熟嘅。第三食，我唔知點嗌一個藍莓包。我而家冇用燈，所以嗰啲顏色咧唔係好靚，但係 trust 呢個靚。我已經肚開始唔舒服。哇！你要一搣開咧，你就睇到好似好多糖。我而家係食咁多，我有啲奄尖。呢個咧就 OK，包冇咁好食，但係個餡都一樣嘅，同我自己整嗰啲都差唔多。蛋撻咧我覺得好似係假嗰啲蛋味，個 crust 咧就我覺得太多油，好似太多油又唔夠 crispy。平時咧再烘嗰啲蛋撻整熱食咧，佢就有啲脆脆地，呢個一啲脆都唔覺得，淨係好soggy。一個咧就好脆，都幾好食，但係咧我可能唔會再買，因為你一次買咧就有6個斤嚟，我食咗1/4我就覺得夠。如果我冇食呢啲 maybe 我可以食到一半。如果我朋友買問我想唔想食啲，咁我就會再食。最好食同繼續食咧，可能就係雞尾包，因為最貪味，但係又即係話唔會好甜。第二就係呢個藍莓包，咁咧蛋撻最後尾我都會食埋，但係我又唔會再買。OK，就係咁。